respect the flag. That's all I can say. Alright, now as you can see, this is the inside of the oven. A couple things that should be done. You can see this S-cleats well, you can't see, but anyways, S-cleats all the way around. And what I did is I bent my ceiling panel, okay, with an angle, with a lip on it to go inside the S-cleat. So just by doing that, because I test fired the furnace, the oven, multiple times to see differences. But anyway, doing the ceiling like that with the S-cleats, that cut a lot of the leakage off, air leakage, so it holds temperature, reaches temperature a lot quicker. Then you may say, well, why did you make the oven so tall? Right there. Because I can have this bar hanging in here. I don't know how much weight it'll support over here. Right now I think there's only like 3 screws in it. But I use this in this angle iron. Well, it's not really angle iron. But anyway, I use these steel for suspending unit heaters in garages and commercial buildings, because it can hold a lot of weight. So you can hang whatever you want in here, and you can move it back and forth. You can see, well, you can't go all the way over. This is actually bent that way. It's not the weight of this, because this is tight. You can see when I pull on that, nothing budges. So S-cleats around the top, put a lip on it so it locks in. I added sheet metal on the floor. You could S-cleat around the sides of the pan and slip the back panels and the side panels into it. I didn't do that, no reason to. Also what I did, if you notice, I bent a lip. Yeah, you can see it where that fold is. That's actually a lip. I bent a lip across there. Alright. So that way there, when you close your door, if you watch, the lip is tall enough to where it seals the bottom of the door. So you don't have a big air leak across the bottom of your door. And it seals it really good. And you can still roll your rack in here and not worry about damaging your lip. So you can still roll your rack in and out of here. You've got something hanging from it, that weighs a couple 100 pounds or whatever, or you're doing an engine block, let's say. You can still wheel it in and out, and it's not going to hurt, and you still get the seal of the door. And again, you can see the seal around here. Now the other thing I have to do yet, which I haven't done, is this top part here. I'm bending a panel that's going to come out, down, and in, and it's going to be full of insulation, because you do lose a lot of heat on this lip. So I just haven't bent it yet, but it's going to be full of insulation, so like I said, I just haven't done it yet. So you can see it turned out pretty good. It's solid, it's not going anywhere. I still have to get the baffles on order. Should come probably Monday or Tuesday. The only thing I may do different is I've got this convection fan here. I'm going to angle the baffle so it shoots, it comes out the top and out the bottom, or sides, depending on how you mount it. But what I may wind up doing is adding another convection fan on this side. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to play it and see. Play it by ear. And the other thing is, you can see I have this probe hanging here. Okay? So that's getting a reading roughly, 5-6 feet off the floor. Most of my parts hang in here. Okay? Now, this is the probe that came with the PID, your TC. Between this one here, considering this is screwed to the sheet metal, that's how it comes, so it's literally that short of nipple on it. Temperature difference between this one here and the one hanging in the middle is about a 50-degree difference. So, to me, your parts are going to overheat, because what I did is I had a piece of pipe in here, and I shot it at different heights of the pipe to see what the difference was. And when this originally was set, the pipe was over 30-40 degrees higher than it should have been. You wanted it to be at 400 degrees. It reached 430, 447 degrees. So you can see this is way off. So I use that one there, and then what I did is I set my temperature difference on my control here. I'm not done with this. On my control, my PID, I set it for a 50-degree difference because you don't want the stuff to overheat. So anyway, that's a couple things that I did that I'll do a little bit differently. So anyway, there you go. I'll still make the top piece, put that on there, but everything I did just kept that much more heat in it. So originally it took about 40-45 minutes for it to heat up, and it didn't reach 400 degrees. Now it heats it up a lot faster just by the S-cleats, by the pressure bend on the door. Little things like that made a difference. So anyway, if you like the video, feel free to give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, keep it to yourself. No, but anyway, so I'll get, this part put up there and the rest of it. So anyway, gives you an idea on how to build your own oven. Simple little things to make a little bit of a difference. You can see how much insulation is on top, because that's where you lose most of your heat. In case some idiot sets something on there, you don't want it to melt, burn, catch fire. So I put a lot of insulation on top of there. So anyway, there you go. That's how you build a pizza oven. Well, I guess you could use it as a pizza oven. I wouldn't recommend it. But anyway, this one happens to be all electric. There's some that they sell on the market that use a torpedo heater to heat it up. So you can do that also. Mine just happens to be electric. But anyway, if you like the video, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. Just hope it helps anybody out, whatever. So I just appreciate anybody watching my videos. I haven't checked in a while. Last time I checked, I was at 35,000 views. So I'm sure I'm close to 40,000 now, because that was like a month or so ago. I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, hit the little B in the bottom right-hand corner. Hit the little notification bell, and it will notify you whenever I upload another video. And I just thank you, everybody, for watching my videos. Even if you're only watching one time, part way through, you race through, you don't give a shit, I just appreciate anybody watching my videos. Appreciate it.